Hello and welcome back. Look what we got for you guys today. One of my favorite sandwiches is Polish kielbasa, or just kielbasa, or kielbasa, or whatever you want to call it. Sauerkraut, red onion, and a roll. That's really all you need. If you like whole grain mustard, that'll work. If you like relish to go with it, that'll work. If you like ketchup, that'll work. Me, I like mustard. So, let's get started. Let's move these rolls out of the way for now. We have to open up our can. Come on, we need to open up our can. There we go. Might as well turn my pot on too. There's something about the smell of sauerkraut. And it doesn't want to come out. So guys, if you have something like this and it doesn't want to come out, you can just go ahead and pop a hole in the bottom. That'll give it a little bit of room for it to breathe, so it'll slide right out. So I'll move my pot over here so you can see it's not coming out. Poke a hole. There you go. You can hear it breathing through the bottom, so that makes a huge difference in it. So now this can go back on the stove. No sauerkraut on the burner. Alright, so that's the first part. We just let that go. Now, the next thing is I love red onion with anything that's sauerkraut. Or like corned beef and cabbage type stuff. Love it. We have a trash can now. Get it? Trash can? We're not really going to need a lot of this onion. We're just going to put a few little rings on the top of our sandwich. I feel like I'm on Food Network. I feel like I'm wasting part of the onion. There we go. We'll save the rest of that one. So, I'll put that on there. So the only thing we're going to do, I'm going to find my end, then we're just going to cut real thin strips here. Whoops. And that's probably going to be enough, because it's probably only going to be me eating it. So then we'll package that up later. Might as well turn this into strips too, right? There we go. And now the star of the show. The kielbasa. Love it, love it, love it. Oh, there you go. That also goes in. That won't fit in my trash can, by the way. Let's get rid of this. And now our rolls are probably about that long. So I'm just going to cut this into 3. Maybe there. And cut that one there. And then we have that one. So I'll be able to fit that in my sandwich now, so it's not all curled. I will poke a couple little holes in this just because I don't want all that grease. And I don't mind if they pop open and explode anyway. So, I'm going to get a fork. Just want to move our sauerkraut around now and get it out of the can shape. And we'll just let that continue to heat up. Doesn't need to be hot, just a little bit warm for me. So I don't dirty up a bunch of plates. There we go. Now I take them out, put them on the grill. Alright, so here we go, my dilapidated grill, but I'm going to be getting a new one this year. So, put them on, and we'll let them sit there. We're going to let them cook. So, we'll come back when they look good. Alright, let's take a peek. See what we got. There you go. As you can tell, my grill heat's very, very uneven. That's one of the reasons I need a new one. Got to keep everything to the front to make sure it cooks. That's how I like mine, right there. I'm going to try my best not to get a flare up out of here. Put that one over the hot spot. Now the other thing is, kielbasa is also a smoked sausage, so it's already cooked. So you're really just warming it up and getting the desired look or flavor you want from the grill. So, it only takes a minute or two. I have my grill turned all the way up. I got 3 of the 5 burners on to make sure that it's good and warm in there. Pop that one over there. Stirring them, get a nice little pattern on them. A little bit we can because it's minimal contact, so it's not like a steak where you can get the nice cross hatch on it. You can see the area where I poked the holes, so that's to help get rid of some of that oil and grease that's in there. So that way it doesn't just explode on me, and that would be bad. Once this one gets a little bit more done, I think we're going to be ready. That one looks good. That one looks really good. put these two up in the hot area. Give them another minute or two and we will be good. I'll meet you guys back inside. Alright, time to assemble. This one's going to be mine, so I'll take the two small pieces. Yummy, yummy. And then I'm going to put some of the shaved onion in there. Then I'm going to take my sauerkraut. Right on top. And then some nice whole grain mustard. I should invent whole grain mustard in one of them little squeezy containers. And I'm breaking out the good china for you guys, so here we go. And that is how I like to eat my kielbasa with sauerkraut. I love the red onion. There's just something about the red onion and sauerkraut or cabbage. I love it. So, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time on the grill.